Welcome back to PrimeScoreX. This lesson explains the Hazardous Materials Table at a CDL student level. You do not need to memorize every material in the table, but you do need to understand what the table is used for and how information like the proper shipping name, identification number, hazard class, packing group, and labels work together. The proper shipping name is the official name used to describe the material for transportation. This matters because casual names can be incomplete or misleading. On the exam, remember that HazMat documentation must communicate the material clearly and correctly. Exact wording matters because emergency responders and inspectors rely on it. The identification number, often beginning with UN or NA, helps identify the hazardous material. The number connects the shipment to emergency response information and hazard communication. If there is an incident, responders may use that number to quickly determine what risk they are facing. The hazard class or division tells the main type of danger. It helps determine labels, placards, handling precautions, and emergency response logic. A driver should understand that the class is not decoration. It is part of the safety system that lets everyone know what type of hazard is present. Packing group shows the relative degree of danger for many hazardous materials. Packing Group 1 generally indicates great danger, Packing Group 2 indicates medium danger, and Packing Group 3 indicates minor danger within that regulated category. Not every material uses a packing group, but when it appears, it matters. A test trap is to focus on only one clue and ignore the rest. The name, ID number, class, packing group, and required communication all work together. If a question asks what information is needed or how a material is identified, think in terms of the complete HazMat entry, not one random detail. For the CDL exam and for real driving, the professional habit is verification. Do the documents match what is being transported? Is the information complete? Are there signs that something is missing or inconsistent? A safe HazMat driver does not guess and move. A safe HazMat driver verifies. Next, we will go deeper into UN and NA identification numbers and how those numbers connect to emergency response information.